Here's this microwave tower that's on Monto Sano. It's just got a new LED beacon on it. There it is. There's the new LED. Thankfully, it's a white only LED. So this tower still only shines white. Oh, and yeah, this tower is exactly 200 feet. If it was just a foot shorter, it would be beaconless. Yeah, I'm glad it has a beacon. I can't really tell what beacon it has, but yeah, you see that has a new beacon on it. It looks like one of those Drakelighting LEDs, the medium intensity variant. But yeah, this tower used to have an FH-308 on it, with I believe the slow burst night mode. But yeah, there's an LED Fatality. Thank God it's a white only LED.